Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to put first the derivative for the both sides in here. So they should be like this. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to ab, that means if we do first derivative of this one, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. Now we can apply the formula for this one. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of x to the power of 4 multiplied by y. Later that we do first derivative of y multiplied by x to the power of 4. Now we do similar for this one. Next, we can apply about the power rule of derivative. So we have y equals to x to the power of n. If we do first derivative of this one, we have nx to the power of n minus 1. So we can apply the formula for this one, and this one in here, and s2. So this one we change n into number 4, so we have 4x to the power of 4 minus 1, so that should be about number 3 in here. This one, that's about number 1, x to the power of number 1, we change n equals to number 1 in here, so we have 1x to the power of 0, so this one you got about number 1. So we can simplify like this, because this one is still about number 1 next to y to the power of 3. This one we can apply the power rule in here, but this is for y. So when we do first derivative of this one, we have 3y squared and first derivative of y. Now this one we have 2y and first derivative of y. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative of the constant, you got about 0 in here. And the next one, first derivative of cosine, we have negative sine 4x, and later that we continue do first derivative of 4x. This one we have number 1. So this one we have positive number 4, but we have the negative sign, so we have negative 4 in here. After we finish doing first derivative, we can find first derivative of y here and here. Now we need to expand this one to do about factorization by first derivative of y. Number 0 we cancel. Now, we can simplify by number 2 because we have even number in here. Now, we put this one go to the right. So we have a negative sign here. And negative 2y to the power of 3 cos here. So we have first the derivative of y. We can do about factorization. Later that, we divide both sides by this one. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.